Welcome to our TeachUP course series on the changing role of the teacher. In this course series, we explore 4 different teaching and learning approaches that can help us in addressing the changing role of ourselves in the classroom, as well as our students.
There's a number of developments that really put into question our current way of teaching and learning. One are the fast developments both in society and technology over the past couple of years. Now students suddenly can have access to knowledge anytime, anywhere, online. And this really puts into question your traditional role as a transmitter of knowledge in the classroom. And finally, and something that's also a big challenge, is the fact that most definitely the job market that your students are going to enter will be a very different one of the one that we have today.
So it is exactly these type of challenges that we'll be exploring in our course series by looking at these teaching and learning approaches that can help us facilitate in addressing the challenges. The first course, we'll be looking at the concept of formative assessment and how that can help us to understand how our students are learning and what the learning processes are that they are engaging in, and then how to accommodate that. In the second course, we look at personalized learning, so using the information we've gathered from the formative assessment process and as a result personalizing the learning experience of our students and giving them ownership over the learning process. In the third course, we look at collaborative learning, activities and tools that can help us generate really fruitful and meaningful collaboration between students. In the fourth and final course, we look at creativity in the classroom and how we can facilitate creative thinking in our students.
Since we think that all these 4 topics are really important for your teaching in the classroom, we would really encourage you to do all 4 courses. If you do so, you will get a special badge of participation and also a certificate of completion. However, if you're specifically interested only in 1 or 2 of our course topics, do not hesitate to come only to those courses.
Join us on our second course of the series about personalized learning. On the course, we'll look at what it is, why it is important, and how, of course, you can implement it in your classroom. During the course, you'll be exchanging with your peers, as well as producing lesson materials like a lesson plan that you can implement in your classroom. The course launches on the 15th of January 2019. It lasts for 3 weeks, and you'll need about 3 hours of your time per week during that period. We look forward to seeing you on the course.